Let's just get you the latest in regard to breaking news coming in of an air hostess who was sexually assaulted while she was on the ventilator in a hospital in Gurugram. This is a very shocking incident that's come to light, and it has been reported. It reportedly took place on the 6th of April, but was formally reported on the 13th of April by the husband of the victim. This is a 46-year-old woman, and this is an FIR that's been registered. To know more on this, we have Tanushka joining us. Tanushka, what world are we living in? We're talking about an air hostess who was on the ventilator, who has been assaulted while she was in the confines of a hospital in Gurugram. What details do you have?
Precisely, Divya. This is indeed a horrific, incident that has come up yet again against, women at this point. And this air hostess, was receiving treatment at local hospitals in Gurugram after she was, she kind of drowned in a swimming pool. And it's on April 5th when her condition started deteriorating that her husband shifted her to Medanta Hospital for further care at Gurugram. And after this, she was undergoing treatment. She was even put onto the ventilator. And the woman says that this is, in a police statement that she has said that on April 6th, it is that when she was on a ventilator, a hospital staff member sexually assaulted her. And she was unable to speak at the moment. And even after that, for a couple of days, until she recuperated and was in a space to talk about it, it is on April 13th, when she was discharged, that she informed her husband about the incident. And they then reported it to the police, and they filed an FIR in the case. Now, this case has been filed at the Sadr police station in the it's been filed against, unknown, unidentified persons as of yet, and the police say that they are carrying on with their investigation. They are examining the CCTV footage as well of the hospital, and, probe is underway to find out exactly who this person was who went around, with this incident, with this horrific incident. We do have a statement also from the Medanta hospital. They say that they have been made aware of the complaint, and that the patient have, from the patient itself, they said that they were fully cooperating with the investigation conducted by the relevant authorities. They say that at this stage, they have no allegations have been substantiated. And all relevant documents, including CCTV footage from the hospital, the time period in question, have all been handed over to the police, and that they are cooperating with the police in the investigation. However, nevertheless, we must not, forget the fact here of the matter is that this woman was anyway undergoing treatment at a hospital, which is when this sort of a very horrific incident happens with her while she's almost in a subconscious state on the ventilator. So definitely the hospital authorities do have to take some sort of, responsibility for this, and the police are also conducting their investigation simultaneously.
Well, of course, Tanushka, highlighting that even within the confines of schools, within the confines of a hospital, within the confines, of very safe places, we're talking about a very reputed hospital at that. Any information on who the person, the accused in the case is?
As I just mentioned, Divya, the FIR has been filed as of now under, unknown persons, and the police are still investigating and conducting their, investigations and probe to find out who this person was. The patient, the woman in this case, she's a 46-year-old air hostess who's come from Bengal for her training. She says that this was a hospital staff member, and the hospital as of now maintains that, none of the allegations have been corroborated or substantiated yet. Only if however, they are cooperating with the police. They've handed over the CCTV footage, the records as well. The hospitals maintain registers, or rather at this point, digital records of in-time and out-time of patients coming in and going out, especially, ventilator patients are on intensive care usually. So all these records are very meticulously maintained, especially at hospitals, such big hospitals like Medanta. So shortly, of course, the police is underway with this investigation, and we should know, who was this person exactly behind this incident, and such a horrific incident at it.
Well, allegations are being made, and reports are suggesting that there were two nurses in the room while this really took place, and those two nurses did not stop the man. Of course, this is just speculation at the moment. Of course, this case is being investigated. We do not have too many details at this point in time, but very shocking details that have come to light of this woman who was in a semi-unconscious state, could not speak at the time because she was on the ventilator, and eventually had to, inform her husband once she got better. And now action is going to be taken in the case after CCTV footage is recovered in order to know what really happened.